Hello, hello. I'm Pam, and we are going to talk about Claude Cowork today. I have not tried this yet, but I watched a couple videos to see what I had to do. And first thing you have to do is you have to download the Claude on that it pops up on a desktop or on your phone. Make sure you do the app because the Cowork won't show up on just plain desktop first. And then second is have a plan. We're going to tell Claude Cowork pretty much what we need to do. And that means I really need to uh, figure it out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk into this, what I have come up with, and then we are going to set a schedule. Claude is able to help with a lot of things. Let's see what it can do for me. All right. I am going to talk. Yes. My weekly structure is I like to have every day a primary focus. Like I have three things I need to focus on every day. And I pretty well work Monday through Saturday. Sunday, I want to start taking off. That would be nice if I can have a day off. But let's go ahead and see. Monday, I like that to be PIPs. I have a meeting every Monday at 7 a.m. with Sadie to go over. So I like to work on PIP stuff on that day. Plus is also, need to do a weekly email, and then plan the content for the week. And then also, I would like to start getting into doing the video to blog on Mondays as well. Create a video, have a blog post to it. And then on Tuesday, it is going to be design tips and giggles at 7. And I would like to do this. I would like to set up my Facebook group and plan out school group stuff on this day. Also would like to do a couple videos for Canva. And then Wednesday is build and create, and that's I need to work on Template Treehouse. Template Treehouse is Wednesday. That's when I do all printables, Canva stuff. And then Thursdays is systems. I would like that to be like creating products, automations, sales pages, cleanup, Kianis. Also make videos for Kianis. And then Friday is that's when I need to send emails, get Freebie Friday set up. This is when I actually have to do the PIPS newsletter. And then Saturday is coaching call, and I would like that to be the Build-A-Bot day. Sunday off. And then emails. Monday, I want a general what's happening to everybody. Friday is like I could put freebie Fridays in there. And then I want an email on Wednesday for Treehouse. I want an email on Saturday for Build-A-Bot and then and BSB. And then inbox monetization will have to be on Monday. I also have office hours for Kianis the first Monday at 9 a.m. and the third Monday at 1 p.m. The businesses that I have is I have a membership, Template Treehouse, Build-A-Bot Club, Bite Size Bots, and also the monetized inbox, which I really need to put my focus on. The template treehouse, I just have to build out monthly. The Build-A-Bot, Sadie gives me the bots, just have to build that out monthly. And then, I need to have 3 things every day to do. What can you do for me? Let's see what it's going to do. Progress over here. Oh, we got cut off. Probably going to have to do it again. Okay. Thursdays, I have co-working at 7 a.m. Meeting with Sadie as well and OBM for PIPs. Thursdays are, I want it to be Kiana's days of where I work on the platform. And then basically I just brain dumped everything of what I do. Let's see what it is doing. It says it's going to set me up with weekly structure, membership days, and email schedule. Let's see what it does. View your weekly blueprint. Here's your big picture summary. Okay, Monday, PIPs, design. Yep, build. Okay, coaching, off, non-negotiable. Your email rhythm, 7 emails per week, total 5. 1 per membership. Okay, okay, okay. And okay, beautiful. I like that. Okay. 1, no, this is a call I have with my bestie, and we talk about printables. Go to create and sell. Number 2, Kianis. Okay, so it's just going through some questions. So it's just updating the plan. Beautiful. Let's see if it can help me stay focused. Okay, so we're going to look at the blueprint over here. Ooh, isn't this pretty? Every day has a purpose. Yes, it does. Every membership gets love. Yes. And so we have a weekly schedule here. Beautiful. And then email plan. Yes. Okay, so Pips is not my membership. It is a client. Now, monetize. Can you, let's see if my connectors, if my, I want to put this all in a calendar so I can get it all connected. So I'm connecting my Google Calendar. It just asks me to connect. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. My Gmail. I can do that too. Continue. So I have my calendar and everything I feel like I need to connect with. Okay, so we're going to go back over here. Okay, so I'm going to ask, can you put all this in a calendar, color coded? So it's thinking, so let's see what it does. Oh, look, it says, I can see your primary color is in, or calendar is in Pacific time. Let me build all your reoccurring weekly events, color coded by day. So always allow, yes. Okay, so it says your whole week is now in Google Calendar. Pink means client, yeah, Tuesday, okay, purple. Ooh, perfect, perfect. Okay, every focus block has a task list. Sunday is beautifully empty. Thank you. All right, so let's look at my Google Calendar. Showed me some things here. Okay, so I don't mind. I like this. Like I would put this up on my desktop. Um, let's see here. Allow. So I went to my calendar and it actually really did it. Like it put things in here for me. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Now, let's go back over here. And I don't mind this. Like I want to have that as my desktop, okay? I love the image you have. Is there a way the weekly image weekly Pam's week, is there a way I can download that to put on my desktop? Now, while it's doing that, I'm going to say, what else can you do for me? Can you send me email, send me an email every morning on what I need to do for the day? Okay. It's going to make me a thing here, so that'll be nice. I asked it, can you send me a daily email? And it's asking yes. So 6 a.m. is perfect. Actually, let's do 5 because 6 I'm already working. Okay, so that's good. All right. So that'll be nice to get. Okay, so it says Pam son. Okay, we are going to schedule that. Okay, let's see. All right, so we're going to run now just to do a test. I just asked Claude Cowork, what else can you help me with? Let's see what it gives me. I mean, I probably could prompt it a little bit. It says, honestly, so much. Here's what jumps out at the most. Weekly email templates, content, calendar, Facebook group content. Yes, okay. Okay, so it's saying it can help me with my email, content, calendar. All right. Let's see here. Let's work on calendar for April. Okay, let's see what it did for us. Oh, for me. Oh, wow. Look at this. It has all the color coordinate. Thank you.